Hi, I'm Johnny and I'm going to show you how I groom my beard. To clean my beard and keep it soft, I use TONI&GUY cleansing beard foam. I always start by washing my beard with a beard cleansing shampoo. I wash my beard 1 to 2 times a week and I spend around 30 to 40 seconds lathering my beard with my fingertip. Make sure you cover your whole beard and get to the skin underneath to exfoliate it. Once I've done that, I just rinse everything out and then towel dry. To condition my beard, I like to use the Fuel Around Nourishing. Doesn't sound right now. All right, if this goes right, I'll be amazed. No. To keep my beard nice and soft and condition it, I like to use the Fuel Around Nourishing Beard Oil. So the beard oil strengthens my hair and give it a nice fuller look, which is kind of my vibe. I use my fingertips and I make sure I get all the way down to the skin. I finish off by using my palms to create a neater look. I like to use this beard balm because I've got quite a wiry beard. It helps me get a little bit of shape into it and tame sort of the straggly bits of hair. I like to use the butters and the balms because they add a bit of weight to the beard. They help me maintain and mould my beard into shape. I've got quite a long moustache, so I like to use the Matt Clay just to give my moustache a bit of shape and get the hairs out of my mouth. Sometimes when I want a bit of extra flair, I grab my Matt Clay and give myself a handlebar moustache. For more tips, head to All Things Hair and subscribe.